therefore, 1/8, or 1 divided by 8, written as this form, is equal to a decimal number of 0.125. So 1/8 is the fraction. One-eighth is a fraction, which equals 0.125. So we're converting fractions to decimals, and the way you do this is simply by dividing. These are simple fractions. When we get into fractions that have more than one digit in the numbers for the numerator or denominator, I'll show you other methods. But this is the way to do long division. Now, for anyone watching or practicing, you should know that you have to participate and write the notes. You are not going to learn and retain the knowledge of mathematics without using your pen, applying your hand and your pen to paper and writing. You have to take notes. I have to write this in order to teach it to you. So don't be so foolish as to think that you know everything and you can't make mistakes. I make mistakes often, and you only catch it when you write. So the purpose of writing is to learn the science of these things in algebra, because you must know the forms that you can write numbers in order to deal with them. And so repetition is the mother of all learning. So we move on to 1/9. One-ninth. We cannot divide 1 by 9, so we treat to the right of the decimal point, we place a 0 next to 1, and we make it greater so we can deal with it. We deal with this as if we were performing 10 divided by 9. 9 goes into 10 once. 1 times 9 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Here, 9 goes into 10 once. 1 times 9 is equal to 9. We subtract that from 10 to give us 1. Now we continue on with our division. We divide this 1 by 9. We treat it as 10 by placing a 0 next to 1. 1 goes into 10, or 9 goes into 10. 9 goes into 10 one time. 1 times 9 is 9. Ten minus 9 was 1. Here, we do the same thing again. Add a 0. Nine goes into 10 once. 1 times 9 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So this is a continuing pattern. So the division continues forever. So we say 1/9 is equal to we say 0.11 with a repeating bar above it. One-tenth. Or 1 divided by 10. Now 10 is obviously greater than 1. So we're going to treat this as 10 divided by 10 by placing a 0 to the right of the decimal point. 10 goes into 10 once. 1 times 10 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Zero divided by 10 is impossible, therefore division is complete. Here we place our decimal point above the last decimal point, place a 0 over the 1. 10 goes into 10 one time. 1 times 10 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. One-tenth equals 0.1. Or 0.1 equals 1/10. One-tenth. Now let's go on to 2/10. Meaning, if I take an object, divide it into 10 parts, assume each one of these sections is equal. We're assuming that they are equal. Now this is 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2/10 would be 2 out of these parts. See, see 1/10 It's just one of those parts. 2/10